He's wondering what I'm doing. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? He's watching that crow. They're pretty interesting. He's watching that big black crow. Or raven, I'm not sure which. Apparently it's the tail difference that differentiates the raven from the crow. I believe the crow. I have to look it up. I'm not sure. Somebody told me that. It's the tail. It's the call it the tail. Still cruising over there. Still cruising over there. Oh, group time. Come on. Fly on the window. Oh, there he goes. Oh. There he is. Up to the top. Up on the rooftop. Alright.